Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us. We are at the Cloud Expo 2011 in Santa Clara, California. On our program is Rajesh Ramchandani. He's the co-founder and VP of Products at Cumulogic. And Rajesh, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rich.
So start at the top. Tell me about the company.
So Cumulogic is basically an early stage company. We are developing a platform as a service for Java applications. What that means is providing an end-to-end runtime management for running any kinds of Java applications on the clouds or even virtualized environments.
Okay, so this is the first I've heard of a company doing specifically what you're doing, so I'd like to know why. Why did you decide Java was a great business angle on cloud?
Absolutely. So there are a couple of reasons for doing Java. First of all, my background, I come from Sun Microsystems. I've spent over 15 years
That answers my
at
question.
Sun.
Okay.
And I've done Sun Cloud and Java quite a bit at Sun. So it was natural to go and find a niche that we can actually go and solve a problem. And the other thing is Java is huge. The existence of Java applications in the industry is the largest as compared to any other platforms or any other frameworks. So the market is big, the opportunity is huge, and there are very few players in the marketplace who are trying to solve this problem. And we believe this is one thing that we can actually go ahead and do a land grab.
So will mobile and tablet-based devices, do you predict, be a large percentage of the clients that access the cloud-based applications that are on your services?
Absolutely. If you look at the trend, all the applications that are being developed, they must handle mobile devices or iPads and iPhones and tablets, those kind of client devices. But what we do is we basically manage the back-end applications. So people would write applications which we deploy on the cloud and scale up and down and provide them resources and management of those back-end applications.
So why would having a cloud that is designed to support Java more beneficial than an off-the-shelf cloud, let's just say an Amazon cloud, where I use it to deploy Java-based solutions?
Exactly. So it's a very good question. So if you go to Amazon today, what you get is a bunch of virtual machines. These are basically operating systems in a virtual environment, and then you have to install software, configure it, tie all the elements or all the infrastructure components together, and then you have a platform that you go and then deploy applications, and then you have to monitor them and manage them and set policies so that you are able to handle the unpredictable workloads. What we do is we provide a layer on top of Amazon cloud, or in fact any other cloud, where developers do not see the underlying infrastructure at all. For developers' point of view, what is important is running an application into the cloud with a given SLA. And that layer that we provide, the PaaS layer, is basically exactly designed to do that. It eliminates all the necessary installation, configuration, updates, patching, etc. From the developers, and it gives them the entire platform that they can just rely on deploying the apps.
Now what about performance?
Performance, there is no additional performance hit towards running on a native Amazon cloud or on our platform. There is absolutely no performance degradations or anything like that.
What sorts of applications do you see? I mean, obviously Java, but specific industries do you think might be taking advantage of your services? In other words, let's say someone's watching right now, what would be some of the target industries that would be, let's say, more ready or ripe to become your customers?
Exactly. So just like any other technology, the financial services industries and media and entertainment industries, to a certain degree healthcare, these industries are actually more forward-looking industries. They quickly adopt new technologies and try it out. So that's where today we are seeing some traction actually.
Now, is this sort of solution that's Java-based more secure than a traditional cloud, less secure, or the same?
So we do have some elements of additional security in the platform, but we do not say security is not the prime reason for the platform. We do not have like we do not make any additional security for the application available, whether they run it on private cloud or public cloud.
It just seems to me that the hacking community would have a smaller percentage of people interested in infiltrating a Java-based cloud solution.
Yeah, I mean it's
Because you'd have to have some Java knowledge to be
really yeah. I mean
potentially.
applications can be hacked, but most importantly, what gets hacked is the servers. The infrastructure gets hacked, right?
Sure.
But given all the elements of the infrastructure security that is provided, say by Amazon cloud or any other cloud provider, we just supplement that. We have an additional layer that we provide and assume the security is provided by the cloud providers.
So what's next for the company?
Well, we are currently in beta, so we are ready to launch a final product in next couple of months. That will be an exciting thing.
So, and then people watching can just go to your website, is it cumulogic.com? Is that?
Yeah, absolutely. There are a bunch of white papers and documentations and demos available on cumulogic.com. That will be the best resource.
Thanks for being here.
Great. Thank you so much,
great.
Rich. Great.